Hello students, how are you all? I hope so that you all are well. This is Jyoti Soni from Riyans Education Center. Welcome you all again to the next session of science for class 7th. So today our topic is based on bases and their properties. But before I start the topic today, I just want to have a quick revision about the last topic, that was acids and their properties. As I told you all in the last class about the acids, the word acid has been originated from the Latin word that is acer, and the meaning of acer is sour. Sour means khatta. Now, the properties of acids. On the basis of taste of acids, the property of acid is sour, means the taste of acids is sour. Next property of the acid is, that is on the basis of nature. The properties of, it means next property of the acids is, that is the nature of acids is corrosive and it is also acidic. Next property and the meaning of corrosive. The meaning of corrosive is it can dissolve or destroy or damage the surface of the substance, of the other substances. Even it can also destroy it can also dissolve the metals. So the next property of the acid is, that is the acids can corrode the metals. Corrode means it can dissolve, it can damage and it can destroy the surface of the metals too. And what are the metals that can be corroded by the acids? That are iron, aluminium and zinc. So the next property of acids is, that is acids can react with the metals. And what are that metals? That are sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, iron, lead and zinc. With the equation I want to show you that acids plus metals is equal to hydrogen gas. It means when acids will react with metals, it will release hydrogen gas. With example I just want to show you, that is when hydrochloric acid will react with magnesium metal, then it will release hydrogen gas and then also it will form magnesium chloride. Next example is given, that is sulfuric acid, H2SO4. When H2SO4 means when sulfuric acid will react with iron, it will form ferrous sulfate and then it will also release hydrogen gas. Next property of the acid, that is when dilute acids will react with metal carbonate, dilute acids plus metal carbonate. I have given here equation for that property of acid, that is dilute acids plus metal carbonate is equal to salt plus water plus CO2. Means when dilute acid will react with metal carbonates, then it will form three products. What are that three products? Salts plus water plus CO2, carbon dioxide. And metal carbonate examples, I have told you the name of the metals, means I have shown you the examples of the metal already, that was sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, iron, lead and zinc. So here it is metal carbonate, and from the metal carbonate it means calcium and then carbonate. We know the formula of carbonate, that is CO3. So here it is metal carbonate, that is given here calcium carbonate. And second, it is given here Na2CO3, that is sodium carbonate. On the basis of that property, I have given you here the equation for that reaction, that is when dilute acid, means when hydrochloric acid will react with metal carbonate, that is given here sodium carbonate, then in the result of that equation, in the result of that reaction, it will release CO2 gas and it will also form NaCl means salt and H2O means water. So next property of the acid, that is acids are mostly soluble in the water. We have seen the vinegar, okay, and vinegar, when we will add or when we will mix vinegar with the water, then it will be totally dissolved into the water. And what is the chemical name of the vinegar? That is acetic acid, and the formula of acetic acid is, that is CH3COOH. Next property and last property of the acids, when acids will come into the contact of any person, means when there is accidental contact of acid with the person, then it will create a severe burns on the skin of that person. So in the most of the some of the times we have heard about the news, that is क्या होता है कि उसमें कोई भी जैसे मैन है या कोई भी बॉय है, तो वो क्या करता है, कभी कभी हमने मोस्टली ये न्यूज में देखा है कि कोई इंसान था, मतलब कोई आदमी था जिसने क्या किया, किसी लेडी के ऊपर उसने क्या किया, एसिड अटैक कर दिया. तो उसके बाद होता क्या है, मींस व्हेन दैट लेडी कम्स इनटू द कांटेक्ट ऑफ दैट एक्सीडेंटल एसिड इफेक्ट, देन शी सफर्स विद द सीवियर बर्न. At the last, I just want to tell you about the definition of acids. What are acids? What is the definition of acid? That is, an acid is a chemical substance, usually a liquid. Okay, what is acid? Acid is a chemical substance that is usually a liquid and which contain hydrogen and can react with other substances to form salts. Means acids वो chemical substance होते हैं जो क्या होते हैं, liquids होते हैं, और liquids होने के साथ साथ वो क्या करते हैं कि जो हाइड्रोजन को कंटेन करते हैं, it means जिसमें हाइड्रोजन होता है, और वो रिएक्ट करते हैं किससे, अदर सब्सटेंसेस से रिएक्ट करते हैं. मीन्स जब वो दूसरे सब्सटेंस से रिएक्ट करते हैं तो किसका फॉर्मेशन करते हैं, दे फॉर्म सॉल्ट्स. Some acids can burn or dissolve other substances that they come into contact with. As I have told about the metal, when metals come into the contact of the acids, they can be also dissolved by some of the acids. Now we will come to our main topic for today, that is bases and their properties. If we will talk about the definition of the bases. So what is base? A base is a chemical substance that neutralize acids by reacting with hydrogen ion. So what is the property of the what is the definition of the base? That is, a base is a chemical substance that neutralize the acids by reacting with hydrogen ion. Now we will come to the properties of bases. On the basis of the test of bases are bitter. We can say that bases tests the taste of bases is bitter. And when we will test the solution of bases, when we will test the bases, means we can say the next property of the bases is, that is, bases are soapy or slippery to touch. When we will test the solution of base, then it will be soapy or slippery. इसका एक एग्जांपल मैं आपको देना चाहूंगी. जब आप बेकिंग सोडा जो होता है, बेकिंग सोडा को जब आप अपने पिंच में लोगे, थोड़े से आप अपने फिंगर के बीच में जब रखोगे, when we will have baking soda in between our fingers, then we will feel it soapy or slippery to touch it. Next property of the base, that is, most of the bases are insoluble into the water. Most of the bases are insoluble into the water, but there are some of the bases that can be totally dissolved into the water. So on the basis of that, we can say that the bases that can be totally dissolved or that are soluble into the water, that is known as alkali. Next property of the bases, that is, some of the bases are soluble into the water. Basically, we know that most of the bases are insoluble into the water, but some of the bases are soluble into the water, that are known as alkalis. So, alkalis, okay. An alkali is a base that is soluble into the water. And next property of the bases, that is, the nature of base is basic. Once again, have a look on the screen about the properties of the bases. First, how bases taste. So, the taste of bases is bitter. Second property of the base, that is, bases are soapy or slippery to touch. Next property of the bases, that is, most of the bases are insoluble into the water. But there are some of the bases that are totally dissolved or that can be totally dissolved into the water. Because of that, we can say that some of the bases can the soluble into the water. And the bases that are soluble into the water, we can say that the bases that are soluble into the water is known as alkali. Or in the another way, we can say that an alkali is a base that is soluble into the water. Next property of the base, that is about the nature. How is the nature of bases? So the nature of bases is basic. And next property of the bases, that is some bases are corrosive. As about the acids, I have told you already. So in the same way, we can say that some of the bases are corrosive and cause painful blisters on the skin. So it was all about the bases, the definition of bases and the properties of bases. So I hope so that till here all the topics are clear to everyone, and if you have any doubt or confusion, so you can ask that you can ask that by dropping your question into the comment box. Thank you.